Hi guys, welcome back to Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV. For today's video, we will mix Tifanny Enamel Paint for wooden surfaces. Tiffany Green is a light, lively colors that adds a fresh yet subtle appearance to the kitchen. The vibrant shade of green is a gorgeous way to make any style kitchen stand apart from the crowd. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button to keep updated in our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order, 1 liter of Tifanny Enamel Paint, for kitchen cabinet. Let's start by reducing, at least 30% ratio, of enamel white. Now let's add enamel phthalo green. Stir the paint very well. We're more brighter. Let's add enamel caterpillar yellow to reduce the brightness. Yes, it's almost the same. Just add more enamel white to make it more lighter. Let's also drop enamel phthalo blue. Stir the paint very well. We're just a little darker. Just add more enamel white. Yes, it's Tifanny color already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.